Kew Services, Kew Washers, eBay and YouTube. What we're looking at here is the ST73 snow foam bottle. So on the system itself, on this one, what we've simply got here is the Kew Spiggot type, which is the longer spigot than normal. So this is not for the Kranzle small 1050 machine. This is the longer spigot that goes into the quick release guns. Stainless steel. Now this has got a nozzle inside there that is a 1.25. These are available these size in bigger sizes, but this is a 1.25. What you've simply got here is the option to change the angle of the actual nozzle itself when it's working. So just simply by turning it, you can then change the spray pattern from one way to the other way that suits you. We've also got the option to regulate the amount of chemical being used by simply turning into the 5 positions. The bottle itself, these are also available. This is a 1 litre bottle. They're also available in 2 litre bottles as well. So you can get this in 2 litre, but like I say, this is just a 1 litre bottle. Soap pickup pipe. Inside there you've got the non-return side, so that can get blocked at any stage. A little spring and ball. But like I say, now also on that side you'll find a screw. So if you undid that screw, what you'll find inside there is the foam mesh. That needs to be kept clean. Any dirt that's going in from this side, from the pressure washer side, can clog the filter inside there, the mesh filter. Always keep it clean. So if the foam starts to go off more times than not, all the fault is the filter starting to get clogged up. Take it out from this Phillips screw, pull the whole lot out, flip it round the other way, put it back together, and off you go. And the foam will automatically come back to normal again. Thank you very much. Kew Services, Kew Washers, eBay and YouTube.